Half a day, half a day. Um, I'm gonna be trading an eval and top step today since it's Friday, and I don't really want to risk the gains that I made this week. I rather just, it's the last day. I don't like going into the weekend with losers. I think about it too much. It just ruins my weekend. So since I'm up, I'm just not gonna trade it, right? But I trade eval. I see what happens, right? See what we can do here. It's just a 50K. So if we see something, we might take it. We might take it. Mm-hmm. I don't know why it's not letting me do it. Oh, there it is. I don't know. Alright, finally. Okay, cool. Mm-hmm. Damn. Okay. I just took that right when I saw a dip into this. I was like, ooh. Ooh. Oh, girl, it's your birthday. Thursday. Let's fucking go, bro! Let's fucking go! Come on! Give it to daddy. Give it to daddy. No. No. Well, that's kind of scary. Oh, come on, man. Oh, come on. Let's go. Once it gets to 15, I gotta take it because it's already uh half of the profit target. Are we gonna get it though? Are we gonna get it? Move this up. It's gotta take liquidity, or it's gotta go up there. I don't like how it's chopping here. I just kind of wanted to just, you know what I mean? Uh, can I break these highs? How about this? How about this? I would take out 3. Right? What do you guys think? There. Let it leave a runner. Right? I already got my 5 points. Log that in, baby. So if I get extra, cool. Right? And if it stops me out, it stops me out. So, while we're letting that play out, let's go look at this. Right? Right? Just so you guys can see my entry point. Oh whoa! Once I got 5 points, I took off the 3 contracts, right? Now we're running. Now we're gonna run for. I want it to go into here. This is kind of what I'm looking at right now. So I'm looking at this one. So we get this. I'm gonna take profits there because I'm trading off sides. What do you call that, man? What's the word? What is the word, brother? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm trading buy side, right? I'm trading longs, but I've been long term bearish, and right now we're kind of in a bearish model. It was just a nice. We're at a good point to bounce from right now, so I had to. So I don't want to short. So one thing about waking up at times like this is that you're gonna have times when you look at the market and it's already done the move. As you can see, we have taken out the 41, 35, 75, right? I think I was looking at 41.32, if I would remember correctly. We took out this low. Okay. So we've been talking about this low here and this busy, right? We took out this gap. And then we have this next area right here. But I don't know about this year, but we got our objectives. So I'm very happy on how we traded this week. I'm very glad about my analysis. I didn't have the best trades. I didn't perform the best this week. Like that I'm being honest with. But for the most part, I'm happy. You know, I did what I had to do, right? Okay. I think this is going. The NQ is kind of being. We already hit that volume balance on the on the on the weekly, so it's kind of being a little. It's definitely this markets are in sync right now. I have to check the Dow. Okay, see that? 50% of this wick right here. I was treating that as support. I like that, so I'm gonna go ahead and move my stop here because I don't want it to get anything below this. This is a discount wick. 50%. Now we're going for it, baby. Now we're going for it. So, am I gonna get what I want out of it? I don't know. You know, I'm trading off sides, like I said, right? But you see how it just came in here? Right when it came into this area, I took it. Right? It was just a really big imbalance. I didn't really need a shift for this because it was obvious, if that makes sense. Right? Took liquidity here, and then we just rocketed. And then we had a gap here, came in, I took an entry, stop below here, right? Now we're riding it, baby. I got my points already. Ooh, right there, right there. That's what we want. That's what we want. What do we want? We want it over here, at least, right? I better put an order there. It's gonna try to. It's gonna hit that quick. Come on, man. Phil, daddy. Film me. Film me. Come on, don't be like that. Come on, don't be like that. You got this. You got this, man. Oh, it's all right. Oh, is it gonna stop me out? Come on, just take all those highs up there. Just take out those highs. NQ's bouncing off its new day opening gap for the futures open, right? It had a bigger rally and it made a higher high during lunch than the ES, right? So this is it right here. You can see. You can see made a higher high here. You did make another high here. This is SMT divergence, right? It's very out of sync, that's for sure. But it's a short, okay? Which one do you short? The ES, it's heavier, right? I've been saying how heavy ES is. It's really showing its fruits right now. We're way below where we opened on the ES compared to the NASDAQ. NASDAQ had a good rally before it came back down. So that's why I'm liking the ES more. Oh no. Oh no. It might stop me out here. Let's go see. Okay, stopped out. All right, that wasn't bad. You can say, how come we didn't take profits here? I was aiming for this, man. I was aiming for this. All right. We had this gap here. We had this one high here. It just makes sense. You want to take out stops? That's all the stops you want to take out. It might rally again and go up here. Is it probably came to fish these tops out, but I don't know. It could come down all the way down here again. I did like that trade though. I don't think it's any drawdown on that one at all. It immediately went in my favor, like very fast. Yeah, see? that's why I stopped here, because it was supporting that, and if it broke that, I don't like it anymore. So see, there's logic to this, guys. Now I want to see how it treats this area. It could come down and treat it as support. I mean, as resistance. Okay, but we're really low right now, so it's kind of hard. It's hard, man. It's hard to sell, man. See, if I sold up here, but I didn't want to sell until it got up here. So, you know, but that's just me, right? Okay. Moment of truth. Right here. Okay. Just touch that. If it breaks through and it closes below this and it comes back into this area, it that can be a potential nice short. Okay. We also have this inefficiency here. Let me change the color for you guys, cause I know this is getting confusing. This will be that. This is still sell side. And then we have this. We're sell side. So that's to get through this. Same thing for NASDAQ, right? We kind of hit really long-term objectives. It's really hard to try to trade, right? It's hard to trade when your long-term objectives have been hit, because what are you aiming for now, right? We took liquidity. Do you really want to risk trying to go for the next level of liquidity? You can try. Probably gonna get burned. We want low hanging fruit on low time frames, right? I mean higher time frames. At least for an objective. And unless the market is really, really doing something crazy, you can't expect those things to get hit. You know, in my opinion. That's just how I look at it. It's like time and price is everything, right? But we're not gonna go to hit lows in like a matter of seconds. It takes days. It takes weeks, right? That's why things that I outlined here. I mean, it took a long time for it to come into fruition, but when it did, guess what? Money, baby, money. Okay. Definitely Nasdaq took out all the stops. If I saw this, I didn't see this. I'm gonna be honest. If I saw this high break all of these highs and go into here, this would have been a short for me, because that's what I was aiming for here, but I didn't get it. So what is this? Another S&T divergence, right? We didn't take out stops here. We took out stops here. So it's a good sell. Sell on this side because it's more likely to go to the objective faster, right? It's heavier. It couldn't even take out the stops first, right? But people will argue to take this one because it's higher, right? And it already took out stops. You can put your stop above that. But I mean, if you're looking at it with heaviness, it's like, come on. If it could even get there, then it's really heavy, right? Okay, I like that. So let's go see. It's not closing below it, right? But that kind of filled it, and now we're going down here. If there's a gap up here, I would have minded shorting that, but it's tough. All right, see. So I didn't necessarily like this because we stayed in the box. We didn't come out and close like there and then come back in, right? So that's a tough sell for me. But I mean, technically that's what it did. It came back up. It's using it as resistance. Man, we're really bearish, man. Damn. It's a far shot for it to go into the 495s in a quarter. That is a significant drop. Definitely. We haven't taken out lows on the NQ at 14.14.5. So let's see. I already hit my profit objectives for the long terms. Damn, baby. Hang on. Guys, gotta get some of my BRBs. We're back, bitches. Look at that, though. Damn. I mean, we're just falling. I was happy with my trade, though. Falling, sleeping, dreaming. I ain't gonna cry all night. Ooh, ew. Uh, Damn, son. Where'd you find this? Beautiful price action this week, though. Damn. I mean, we had to deal with a lot of stuff, but you probably got chopped up at the open, but it's moving in the afternoon. In a hurry. It's getting on. Oh man, I want that. To see how much we're gonna put on the table. Oh, that was nice. Ugh, how's about? Damn, missed it. I missed it. Let's go see if I can get it from ordering. Ugh, that's messed up. I was literally trying to do that, and then it just hit my target when I was. It hurting. It hurting. Let's go see how it treats this wick, or if it wants to go back into the gap again. And film me. Film me. It got to the on the NASDAQ. Is an inverse fair value gap? Fair value gap. Torinin. So it's gonna look like this now. Oh, there's no middle no more. Okay. I could short the NASDAQ. I think we're at there. That's a lot of money I had to put on the table for this one. It's a good range. Let me see where we're closing here. Let's see if it can get me in. Come on. Is it gonna hit it? Is it gonna hit it? Is it gonna hit it? Alright. We're in now. Right? It might. Let's go see. I just went down here. It feels really heavy. So let me see if we can aim for a bigger target from this high, because this high started this run here to this. So, okay, so we haven't hit a standard deviation yet. So, let's aim for this one, shall we? Come on, don't let daddy down. Don't let daddy down right now. Come on. Come on. Come on. Don't let me down. Don't let me down. Come on. You got this. I believe in you. I believe in everything you stand for. Like I said, don't marry the trade. Don't marry the trade. Because the trade is going to wreck you. It's going to cheat on you. It's going to tell you that you're not good enough and that it's all your fault. Ew, I don't like how we have those equal highs on the ES, man. But it's alright. It's alright. Oh, come on, brother. Don't do this. Don't do this to me. No. Don't. Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it. Alright. You failed it. Now let's get out of here. Come on. We're still treating this gap here. And we still haven't closed it. This one right here. We haven't closed it yet. So it couldn't get into this inverse BISI compared to the NASDAQ. So again, I do like ES better. I'm spending a little too much time here though. I'm not really enjoying this. So I might just get out. So let's see. I'm trying to give it some chance. Here. But NASDAQ's trying to like really push up right now. And I really just wanted to flush. So we're getting some weird price action right now. Depending on how we close this, I might close the trade. We haven't closed it, so that's why I'm still okay with the trade right now. It could go into the BISI, yes, but I just don't know how much further it's gonna go up. Because we can go all the way back up here if we really wanted to, right? I mean, it's got to start moving now. It's got to start moving. Oh, come on, man. Come on. Let's go. Come on, man. You fucking got this, bro. Don't let anyone tell you that you're not beautiful. Because you are. You're gorgeous. You're wonderful. You're just incredible. You fucking son of a bitch. Oh. Fuck you. You always just throwing me back and forth, making me think this and that. Who's the problem? I'm the problem, or are you the problem? You're the problem. I think we're gonna start chopping here. I don't really like it. I don't like it. This candle. I'm giving this candle. I'll give it this candle. If it doesn't start moving in my favor, I'm out. Fuck it. You get 20 seconds. You better show me that you're willing to do what I want you to do. You don't break that low, I'm gonna be looking at you like, hey, are you cheating on me? Huh? Are you gonna go check out buy site? Oh, okay. I don't like it anymore. Hey, I got out. I got out, like, in profit, sort of. I think we went. Let me see what we did here. I think we did 50% of this. Oh, now no one wants to do what I want to do, right? We're going to get out. It's great. Thanks. Thanks. You're messed up. No, I'm more of a, like, that color. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, we just went through the 50% retracement for this. Or consequent encroachment. I always say 50% because it is 50. Consequent encroachment, guys. Okay. Do you even trade ICT, bro? You even trade ICT? Sometimes I question myself every day. Every day I look into my videos and I'm like, dude, you're just talking to yourself. No one's watching your videos. No one wants to see you trading your micros. Yeah, see, I don't want to be part of that ES action right now. Or the NASDAQ. Like, dude, come on. Come on, man. Ugh. Sometimes it sucks. And I need to work on this. I need to look at both sides and not stare too much into one. Because, oh yeah, see? That's what I was scared of, guys. This is what I didn't want to happen. I just really didn't like how I just kept doing this. Now, it can totally just flush from here. And that's what I'm saying. Like, now, it's not high probabilities for me anymore. You know what I mean? I don't like it. I don't like it. And look at the Nasdaq. I wouldn't even pass the inverse, right? What is its gap here? Sorry. Went into this gap right here. Right, just work through it. You can close it. Like, that's what you have to understand about these boxes, right? When I draw fair value gaps, uh, it can wick through, but the bodies is what's important, right? So the wicks do the damage, the bodies tell the story, right? So you gotta look at it. The bulk of the volume is the body, right? That's where a lot of the money was traded with, or traded at. Wicks are just where price went. That's how you gotta kind of look at it. Volume is in the bodies. I don't even know how much I made today, man. Damn. Let me see if I can pull up. Let me see if I can pull it up. It's not, my taskbar is not going away, so I can't click on it. It makes me mad. Okay. Hmm. $9.41. I'm on the derivative evaluation. Okay, I'm only gonna trade this during these hours. We'll see how well we do here. That's cool. Again, I wish I took this on my account for these highs here, but there was no clear entry. I did like this shift right here. It immediately rebalanced the price action here. But it opened here, it probably went like that, and then flushed. So, it's a good point right here. This gap is a good pullback. If it goes back here, that's a nice retracement. That's a 62% retracement right here. OT's like right here, so that's cool. Price action is getting really, really choppy. It's grinding back up, but it's not clean. Let's just say that. I think I'm gonna call it here. I already took a trade. I'm very good. Let's go see how it treats this side though. So if it starts trading this SIBI as support, I think that's what it did here, right? So that's see this now. This is an inverse at this point when it opened above it and it came back down, and it's treating it as support. So just remember that. But we're bearish long term. Nasdaq's really making its move all the way up to the gap here. But I don't really like the way it's moving, so it's not a good opportunity for me. But it's a nice retracement. It's a great entry, right? And you can put your stop probably above here, and it would be fine. But I just don't like the way we're moving right now. We're moving, but it's very lethargic. I don't really care for it. And Nasdaq's strong right now compared to the ES, so to short that, it's gonna give you some problems because it's having trouble going to the downside. It could even get below its new day opening gap compared to ES. If ES gets here, I might sell here. I don't really want to enter here, and obviously this one didn't work out. So this would be my next thing right here. It's a good area to enter. I think I'm gonna call it here, but thank you guys for tuning in. If there's any of you guys actually watching my videos, thank you. And hope to see you guys for the next stream. All right. Don't forget to like. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribing. Because we're calling out the markets, baby. Yeah, yeah.